Today we'll look at the amazing lifestyle of Usain Bolt. Have you ever wondered how much money the fastest man on earth possesses? How many opulent homes does he own worldwide? And let's not forget about his impressive car collection. Stay tuned as we reveal some incredible details of Usain Bolt's lifestyle, including his wealth, properties, vehicles, and intriguing relationships. Buckle up and welcome to Legacy TV, where you will witness the mesmerizing world of luxury in a fantabulous way of ultimate deluxe. Career. Usain Bolt, born in Sherwood, Kent on August 21, 1986, showed excellent sporting skills in football and cricket. Encouraged by his high school cricket coach, Bolt made a brilliant decision to switch to athletics. He demonstrated his immense ability when he won the World Junior Championship in 2002 at the age of just 16. His rise was unstoppable, and in 2007 he broke the world record for the fastest man in history by achieving the first ever world record for 100 meters. At the 2008 Beijing Olympics the following year, Bolt established his reputation as a world icon. In the 100-meter, 200-meter and 400-meter relay, he won gold medals, carrying together an incredible triple victory. Net worth. Usain Bolt's excellent business ventures, intelligent investments, and lucrative endorsement deals have contributed to his enormous net worth today. His extraordinary reputation and unparalleled sports achievements are reflected in his economic success, but Bolt's influence goes beyond simply accumulating wealth. He constantly demonstrates a strong dedication to philanthropy, using his riches to make a great impact in his community and beyond. Thus, while his wealth is noteworthy, what really defines his legacy is his unwavering commitment to changing the world. His current net worth is estimated to be around $100 million, however. Some sources suggest it to be $70 million. The projected range of Usain Bolt's net worth is $70 million to $100 million. Despite the variance, Bolt's financial standing demonstrates how he may use his accomplishments to improve society and have a lasting effect that goes well beyond sports. Mansions. Beyond the realm of his athletic ability, Usain Bolt lives in opulent houses across the globe, immersing himself in the height of luxury. Bolt's home displays elegance and sophistication, whether it is tucked away in Jamaica's tranquil landscapes or positioned high above vibrant cityscapes and opulent penthouses. Every residence is carefully designed to reflect his taste for luxury and his unwavering desire for comfort. Bolt's residences are the pinnacle of luxury and elegance, from impressive architectural architecture to carefully selected furnishings. These havens act as retreats where he may relax and celebrate his successes, while surrounded by the greatest comforts life has to offer. Cars. Usain Bolt's great passion for cars is demonstrated by his impressive collection of vehicles, which represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. His remarkable collection of vehicles includes sleek sports cars, commanding SUVs, and uniquely styled cars that draw attention from everywhere he drives. Bolt's collection of luxury vehicles includes the luxurious Rolls-Royce Phantom Series 2, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the renowned Ferrari 458 Italia, Ferrari F430 Spider, and Ferrari California. Bolt even offers a variety of customizable vehicles, including the 2012 Nissan GT-R Bolt Special, the 2008 BMW M3, and the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. These vehicles not only reflect Bolt's pursuit of excellence, but also demonstrate his success and keen taste in automotive luxury. Love and relationships. Usain Bolt's personal life includes a happy marriage with Casey Bennett and their daughter, Olympia Lightning Bolt. Bolt prioritizes family and frequently shares moments with his wife and kid on social media, demonstrating a harmonious balance between public and private life. Bolt's relationships with women are respectful and professional. Bolt's dedication to his family and professional endeavors is unwavering, and he shows no evidence of making lifestyle decisions that would contradict these views, even when he collaborates or engages with women in different areas of his job or commercial enterprises. Finally, regardless of gender, Bolt's sports achievements and charity efforts have inspired millions worldwide. He is a symbol of athletic excellence and a source of motivation for future athletes. As our exploration of Usain Bolt's opulent lifestyle comes to an end, it is evident that he is more than just a sprinter. He is a worldwide phenomenon whose impact goes well beyond the racetrack. There you have it, A look into the lifestyle, net worth, houses, cars and women of Usain Bolt in 2024. So, what are your thoughts about his lifestyle? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more luxury videos. Thanks for watching.